talk about messy. Really, really messy. Hi, my name is Gail McFarland and welcome to Tuesday Art Talk. When I say messy, I don't mean you becoming messy when you're doing art, but how your art becomes really messy before it looks good. So I'm working on 3 pieces of art. So let me show you what I mean. Let's move my camera. So if you look at all those 3 pieces, they're pretty messy right now. Sometimes art has to look bad before it looks good. So when you get to that point and you get really frustrated because your art just does not look good, that just means you're halfway there. Keep on working. I hope that inspires you. So until next Tuesday, love you guys. Bye-bye.